Good morning! Now let's talk about charging the Kona. Included in the car when you buy it is a home charger that you can plug into your home socket. Here in Germany it's a Schuko. Let's look at that. It's a fairly long cable, around a bit over 4 meters long, and you just, like I did here, plug it into your home. So this can charge up to 2.6 kilowatt, and what's great, if you can see that, come on, there you go, you can select the amp that it's putting out. So here in the bottom there's this button that you have to press long, and then it switches from 12 to 8 or 10 amps, and that's pretty cool. You can also change the charging power in the car itself, the current. It has a little switch setting, but it doesn't tell you exactly what it does. But let's plug it in. So this is the other side, normal type 2. You plug it in. Car locks the charger, so you can't plug it out, take it out. Here it shows you your approximate state of charge. Green means it's starting charging, and the fans are running for charging, which is weird because, hello, 2.6, not a lot. Let's go in the car. So here we are. It tells me 2.4 kilowatt. And now here in the settings, if I turn it on, no music, I go to EV, go to charging management, and here it says charging current, and station is any AC station at home or somewhere, and portable is just this charger, and you can put it to reduced or minimum. And the other thing, I'm pretty sure has the same setting, exactly. So go to portable, and then let's put it to reduced and see how far it goes down. And okay, goes down to 1.8. Go in again and put in minimum, and okay, 1.2 kilowatt. And I think that's a great idea if your home is not equipped to pull 2.4 kilowatt. How do you get the cable out when you're done charging? There's a few ways. So if the charger stops, then it will unlock automatically if you put the auto unlock button. I will show you in a second. If not, you have to press open here on your key. So we'll see here, we're charging, then I press open. Will unlock and blink, because if you don't do anything it will lock again, but if I pull it out then it stops charging. On AC, you can charge this car with a Type 2 cable on uplink stations on your home wall box, and that's what we get, 4.3 kilowatt. Let's see if I change the rate to reduced, and okay, goes down to 3.9, and then let's put it down to minimum. Goes down to 2.6. Interesting. Maximum. That's it. Of course, you have your charging limit, and it will stop charging if you put it down and press OK. Let's do that. So we're at 70% and I put the charging limit to 60. But only if you press OK and it stops charging. And here we have your auto unlock button for your charging cable. If this is on, that means if charging stops, it will automatically unlock your cable and you can take it out. This is a great idea if you're being charged by the minute, so when it's full it will just unlock and no more costs for you. The problem is if you're on a charging station using your own cable, somebody can steal your cable. Now we are here at the fast charger and I want to try if the AC charging is faster when you plug it in from here, because this can do 43 kilowatt on AC. Let's see if that works better. So it's only 22, but still that's fine with us. See how fast it's charging. 6, 7, look at that, it's the cable. Charge. Let's see how fast it charges today. Get in here. There we go. Ramping up. Oh, show me. Just because I'm getting in here doesn't mean you can't show me the speed. There we go, 39, 40. Yeah, I've seen 40 kilowatt before around this state of charge. At around 70 it throttles down, even though in summer it would be better. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.